tech enthusiasts and computer users of all levels. Welcome back to our channel, where we're here to make your digital life easier and more efficient. Today, we've got a topic that's incredibly practical: 10 keyboard shortcuts every computer user should know. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, mastering these shortcuts will help you navigate your digital world with speed and finesse. Let's get right into it. Shortcut 1. Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac. This universal shortcut copies selected text or files. It's the digital equivalent of making a duplicate. Shortcut 2. Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. After copying, use this to paste the copied content into a new location. It's your paste button. Shortcut 3. Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on Mac. Made a mistake? This undoes your last action. It's like a digital eraser. Shortcut 4. Ctrl+S or Command+S on Mac. Save your work instantly with this shortcut. Don't risk losing important changes. Shortcut 5. Alt+Tab or Command+Tab on Mac. Quickly switch between open applications or windows. It's multitasking made easy. Shortcut 6. Ctrl+F or Command+F on Mac. Find specific words or phrases within documents or web pages. No more scrolling endlessly. Shortcut 7. Ctrl+X or Command+X on Mac. Cut selected text or files, effectively removing them. It's like a digital pair of scissors. Shortcut 8. Ctrl+P or Command+P on Mac. Quickly print documents or pages. Say goodbye to hunting for the print button. Shortcut 9. Ctrl+A or Command+A on Mac. Select everything in a document or folder with this shortcut. It's a real time saver. Shortcut 10. Windows key+D or Mission Control on Mac. Minimize or restore all open windows and show your desktop. Great for a quick breather. And there you have it, 10 keyboard shortcuts that every computer user should have in their arsenal. Whether you're working, browsing, or managing files, these shortcuts will boost your productivity and efficiency. If you found these shortcuts helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow computer users. Thanks for watching, and may your digital journey be smooth and swift with these keyboard shortcuts.